Yeah. Welcome back.
I hope it's not the auditorium because I'm freezing right now.
Me too.
Tomorrow will probably be a better day because the state is off.
Okay. It's not gonna be raining tomorrow.
I'm bored.
Yeah.
Well, like, not like,
We need to do some
not
fun
like
stuff.
really
Very
bored.
good.
I just need some
We need to.
spice.
I'm excited for the. Yeah. Yeah.
Tomorrow we should do pictures with it.
Yeah.
A few moments later. No.
Last year when I
Last year. We still don't even know anyone this year. Yeah, I guess that's true. But like, it's, I don't know.
my neighbor.
Bro.
We're videoing right now.
This is on video. What? Don't draw it in the puddle.
That's not mine, that's
Bro.
Hey, he's got a vlog too.
Hey, do you want to be in my vlog? Well,
Yeah, dog. I love putting stuff on my blog.
can you hold this? Can you hold this for a minute?
I'm actually about to go. I'm going now.
Fine. Light green water bottle.
Where's your bag?
Here, last time taking this forever. Cool bag. What happened?
Why is it so lightning?
Oh, it's because God is trying to strike us down so we don't have Okay.
These vlogs are not going to be very fun.
These vlogs are not very fun. What should we do for fun? Oh, Aspen, you should hop over one of those and I'll record you. Nothing interesting. We are so adventurous. Did I end it? No, it's... Do not do that. I am holding Jacob. Not Jacob. Oh my gosh. Not Jacob. I am holding Dallin. Loki, should I hook up Dallin with my sister?
Yes!
Same age.
Perfect!
I'm like, maybe.
Doesn't she have a girlfriend?
Aspen, I know it's Yeah, she does, but I don't like him. He's boring. Dallin, if you're watching this, I think you are. Because you're definitely going to be watching our vlog. I'm holding her backpack. Because, those people back there gave it to me for being not very nice.
They're mean.
And, I've decided to... What? Yeah, basically, oh, this is really close. ASMR. Anyway, if you're watching this, you should... Does he go to BYU? Where my sister goes.
Where?
Does he go to BYU? I should ask him.
Oh, I bet he does.
That's where my sister goes. I don't like her new boyfriend. Sorry, Emmeline. He's boring.
We're heading back to the freezing cold center.
Yep. We're gonna have a devotional. It'll be great. Anyway. Adios. See you later.
Bye.